Welcome to Setup Spotlight. Today's spotlight is on John. John is 25 years old and uses his setup for media consumption, music creation, photo editing, and gaming. Let's break his setup down piece by piece. A link to every product you see is in the description. Starting off with his displays, he's rocking an LG 29-inch curved ultra-wide with a 43-inch 4K Vizio Smart TV above. Moving on to his peripherals, he's using the Corsair Strafe keyboard with Cherry Silence keys and the Logitech G502 Spectrum mouse, which sits on an extended black mouse pad. For audio, he's using the Scarlett 6i6 interface with JBL LSR 305 monitors, along with Focal Alex headphones. His MIDI controller is the Akai MPK249. His two desktops are the IKEA Hamarp, which make for one solid L-desk. His PC is sitting in the NZXT S340 case, and a full list of the specs will be down below in the description. Overall, this setup is minimalistic, yet features every accessory he needs on a daily basis. The TV also swivels out for when he's in bed, and he has a wireless keyboard with trackpad just for that purpose. And look at his floor, it's freshly vacuumed, and you gotta love that. Oh yeah, and before I forget, check out his cable management. Like, wow. We'll link his Instagram so you can go spread some Flamingo Squad love. Check the description for a link to every product you see in the setup, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Also, what would you rate this setup out of 10? Thanks for watching this Setup Spotlight. I'll catch ya on the flippity flop.